Hello guys, I'm Bo. Today a quick tour. I come to visit my garden and big surprise because my sister she hired someone come to help working in the garden because like you see in our garden is messy. Grass start to bother our plants. So today we clean out all the grass because I can clean only a little bit and the sunflower they start to blooming but I will make the video about only sunglasses the tip how I grow it is very good, it look nicely. And so they take a grass out and they cover more rice straw and they put make a bamboo stick and use a rope to tie the marigold so it will be more straight and help to support the marigold tree. And that I mentioned, I think the fertilizer is not enough for marigold, so today we give more fertilizer for them. We use fertilizer is nitrogen 16, phosphorus 24 and potassium 24. So I hope next week will be better for marigold flower. So I will interview, I will come to see, I will interview. ไม่ต้องเห็นหน้าคนไทยอยากเห็นหน้าไหม How he do it คนไทยทำไงทำยังไง
ก็ใส่ปุ๋ยครับ
he I asked him because it's hard work right and I very impressed that he come to help me today so he will cover the rice straw okay and you can see on the bottom of marigold we have a fertilizer it looks good and come on I want to show you that I told it's อันนี้ได้เอาใบออกไหมนี่
ไม่ครับ
ต้องเอาใบออกนะ and
ผมถอนแต่หญ้าอย่างเดียว
I told them they get the grass out and they have to get rid of the leaf that close to the dirt so will help no disease to bother เนี่ยพอใช้เอาใบออกเนี่ย
ใบอ่อน
มันจะไอ้นี่ไม่ทำลายมัน
ทำไมไม่ให้มันไปตามธรรมชาติของมัน
so this today that I want to show you and this one
ถ้าเรา
so and this one and my sister I think she available today she know have work construction in the town so she can come to help in my garden the full time like I said I only come to check in the evening and when I'm available from the housework and the garden indoor garden in house so I come to look outside here so I hope you enjoy it about what I'm doing here and sharing with you. I hope to see you next video. Please follow me and if you like this video please give a thumb up and please feel free to leave comment below สวัสดีค่ะ